Hi everyone, welcome back to Hey Bartender. My name is Gustavo Rojas, your personal bartender. And today, well, it's not the exception, you guys. We have another fantastic cocktail. So everything is about creativity. And when the creativity actually hits you guys, you have to come up with something original and something cool. This is the case where my wife actually kicked me out of the bar and she took over the other side. And well, this is gonna be her cocktail. This is gonna be the Jameson Cold Brew Spiked Dalgona. Please stay here with us and let me show you, or let her show you how it's done.